can take this one.
Thank you.
Hey! So, fellow Jamaican blogger Jhunelle, aka Simply Local Life, follow her on Instagram at simplylocal.life, reached out to me to build quarantine kits for each other. And if you didn't know, Wanga Gal, she's my food blog, we've been doing quarantine kits for about the past 2 to 3 weeks. And they're basically, you know, little kits filled with DIY bake jars, mug cakes, treats from other local vendors like Isa Bakes, Baked by Brie, Sugar Buzz, Delightful. Yeah, it's kind of like build your own kit just to, you know, help you to get through this crazy quarantine COVID situation going on. Once that was in like full swing, Jhunelle reached out to me and she was like, let's team up, let's build some quarantine kits for each other. Each of us doesn't know what the other one is putting in their kit, but we kind of made up our own rubric and we have to follow. So we have to have something immunoboosting, something sweet, something to try, something you have to make, and then like a wild card, which could be any food related item. For the immunoboosting, I'm definitely gonna give her some turmeric tea. It's mango season now and I have a lot of mangoes in my house. Gonna give her some blackies. I feel like they're not the most popular mangoes, so why not? And I know Jhunelle likes fruits from what I've seen her post on her Instagram, so yeah, I feel like that would be a good something sweet, also immunoboosting. These are Haw Flakes. Jhunelle told me that she doesn't really like candy, but I just feel like these aren't really candy. But they're like a Chinese sweetie that I grew up eating. They're made of hawthorn, which to be honest, I'm not 100% sure what that is. But I like them. They're not very common, so I figured I'd let her try. I actually am gifting Jhunelle one of my DIY bake jars that is featured in my quarantine kits. So I'm giving her the oatmeal cookies. So it's basically all the dry ingredients to make oatmeal cookies. I saw these Carolina Reaper cheese curls, scorching hot. I haven't tried them yet, but I'm going to try. I bought one for myself, so I figured why not let Jhunelle try them as well. We're going to meet up really quickly for an exchange with as much social distance as possible, return to our homes, and you know, do a big reveal.
Okay, so let's see what I got from Tiana, aka Wanga Gal, in my kit. Woo! Alright. I knew I smelled that. Okay. Ooh, this is nice. Oh, thank you, Tiana. But let's see. So the first thing... Wait, hold on. What are these? Alright. What the heck are these? Haw Flakes? I have never heard of that, and it has some Chinese writing on it. Something to try. Let's see what these Haw Flakes are. I know you don't like candy, but these are in my house and I figured there's a possibility you've never tried them before. You got that right. They're a Chinese sweetie, but like not really. Not really. Okay. I won't feel bad if you don't like them. Some people don't, but they're my fave. Alright. And you give me 2. You know somebody like candy and you give me 2 of them. Very tough though. Feels like a battery of some kind, but guess we'll see. I'm into spicy food lately. I've been watching too much hot ones on YouTube. Challenging you to try these out if you haven't before. Okay, I've definitely never tried these before. Oven baked with real cheese. Alright, let's give it a shot for anybody interested in trying. Alright, immune boosting. This is turmeric tea. My father has been gobbling it down since Corona. Hope you like. I do. I have some, well, I think it's finished now, but I've had turmeric tea and it's definitely very good for you. And you smell these. I see mangoes. I tell you, mango season come early now. I don't know if it's corona, but I got 2. These are Blackie, right? There are too many of these coming through my house. Please enjoy. I understand. Mango season come early. Get 2 little Blackie mangoes. Thank you. Oatmeal cookies. Alright. Let's see. Something from the Wanga Girl Quarantine Quick Selections. DIY oatmeal cookie bake jar. So easy. Just follow the instructions. Bake and boom. Feel free to add stuff like raisins, nuts, coconut flakes, and dried fruit. Alright. I'm not big on sweets, but I don't mind cookies. Oh, and it has recipe and substitutes and everything. Alright. With her Wanga Girl logo. She does these weekly, so if you get this in time, send her a message and you can get your own as well as other items to make and other items from local businesses to get you to the quarantine. Alright, okay, I'm excited. Thanks, Tiana. Big up yourself. Feel like I'm gonna try these now. Nah, you know what? I'm gonna save it. Get your quarantine kit with your friends. It's a nice gesture. It's a nice way to experiment and try new things during the quarantine and bond with loved ones.